Hey lovers. Hey y'all, it has been a while. If you see this, if you're seeing this, then you know that I did not post Christmas Eve and Christmas for Vlogmas. Y'all, I made it all the way to the end and tripped at the finish line. Y'all, don't judge my background. Jesus, fix it. But I wouldn't call it a trip because I still recorded and I actually have edited them. I wanted to come first and see if y'all even cared to see them before I posted them. So make sure y'all let me know down in the comments because I already posted because they are edited. Me wrapping the gifts, Christmas Eve. Christmas is not finished being edited. Y'all, I literally had 4 hours of footage from Christmas. Don't ask me what I was thinking. I don't know. So I'm literally going through all of that footage to see what I wanted to keep and what I don't. So that's why Christmas is taking me a little while. But the other two are done. I just didn't post them because I was like, it's after Christmas. And everybody was like, it's after Christmas. So like, why would they want to see that? But I mean, I watched other people's. Like I caught up on the Leah J and Kyra's Vlogmas. I didn't watch them during the Vlogmas season because I was so busy trying to get videos up. So yeah. But if y'all want to see them, I'll definitely post them. I think I'm still going to post them anyway. For those people that don't comment or whatever, they still might want to see them. So, but yeah, y'all, happy new year. Okay, 2021. So much has happened, y'all. So much has happened. It's crazy. But like, I know y'all heard about the invasion of the Capitol. They had our city shut down. Yeah, if y'all don't know, if y'all new here and y'all don't know me, hi y'all, I'm Angel, and I live in DC. That's what I'm about to talk about. Y'all, they had DC shut down. Y'all, the day that they raided, whatever you want to call it, attacked the Capitol, y'all, they ended up shutting the city down literally, and we got put on a 6 o'clock curfew. It was given, what? A 6 o'clock what? Why? I was so annoyed. And it really was like instantly, they sent out a little emergency alert at 2, by 5. You can't go in no more stores, can't get no food, none of that. It was crazy. Sir, do you not see this humongous truck in front of me? Like, let me get out his way so he can get the fuck on. But, I'm back. But yes, y'all, so they had DC shut down, but it was crazy. Like, it's been a lot going on in the last 2 weeks, and I'm really going to try to catch y'all up. I'm going to talk a little bit about it while I'm in this little car ride. I'm going to just do a quick version. We had Jules' birthday. We had the riot at the Capitol. We had our STEMI. We got our, comment below if you got your STEMI. I'm still waiting on mine, but I know she gonna come out and God gonna bring her right on time. We are gonna be moving soon. Y'all, it's just so much coming. Like I don't even know. It's just so much going on, y'all. I'm so excited. Everything's moving so freaking fast. So y'all, I'm gonna start posting those videos. I needed a little break there to chill with my family. Y'all, I hadn't seen them all year for real because of COVID. Like we really had a great time during the holiday, and I really hope y'all had a good time too with y'all families. I was so adamant about posting my video on Christmas Day. Like I was so pressed, and it didn't even happen because it was so long. And then it was really hard to pick which parts to put in. Y'all don't understand. Like one day I'm gonna do a video and have everybody like just see what I do as an influencer. I finally am a business owner. I'm not gonna spoil it too much. Y'all can see the video, but I'm also a business owner. I'm official, okay, period. So yes, I literally been on my grind since January 1st. Like seriously, it's not stopped. But I said all my goals that I had for 2020, I recreated them for 2021, and we gonna see these babies through, okay? Period. And I already got stuff up and working and moving, and it's just, y'all, I'm so happy. Kelly been right there grinding it out too. I actually was out getting her some stuff. Y'all, Kelly been working. She's a central worker, and she has been working non-stop, like literally non-fucking stop. She hasn't had no downtime, nothing. Like, she really hasn't, except for the 2 weeks that we spent for Christmas. So I already went and got her some stuff to show her, you know, how like how much we appreciate her, because I know it has to be hard to see us in the house just chilling. Well, we doing stuff. We doing virtual learning, but it's not nowhere near as much as she doing. Virtual learning ain't no joke though. So for all my moms out there doing virtual learning, good for you, girl. You got this. But yeah, so I just went and got her something cute and sweet. That's all. Y'all want to see the flowers I got her? Aren't these so cute? And then I bought her some edible arrangements. Little cute little box. She loves that little strawberries. I like them too, but I can't eat them because of my braces. But I don't remember what I was talking about. It's been a lot. Y'all, I finally got my parking spot in my garage. I mean, in my apartment complex. I don't know if I told you guys about that, but that was like a whole situation. Like, soon as I move up out of here, I'm telling y'all all about it. Because this building is ridiculous. But we're going to work it out. We're going to work it out for now until we move on up. Because at the end of the day, God got it, period. But I can't wait to move, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Y'all know I'm going to do an empty house tour. Y'all know I'm coming with all the goodness, okay? We doing decor hauls. We doing all that. Give me all that, all that, all that. Ooh. All right, y'all. I done made it home in this bitch. Hold on, y'all. I gotta do all this stuff for my car. Y'all want to see everything I gotta do for my car? Okay, just watch. Okay, that's what I gotta do, y'all. Every time. This man's car got shot the fuck up. It's not fake. It's not fake. Why? Who the fuck would want some? This is a Mercedes. Hey, y'all. Hey, lovers. Y'all, that wouldn't have. Can you talk about some of them damn bullet holes fake? Them bullet holes is not fake. We're gonna see how fake they are if they only on one side. Them bullet holes is not fake. This, I'm telling y'all. That's why we like, it's ghetto over here. It's ghetto. I'm not lying. That's why people think I'm playing. Because my apartment look nice to them. It don't. Y'all, here with the car right here. Oh, look, somebody tried to kill that.
Yeah, probably
They
did.
done.
The other side crashed there. Like, yeah, he tried to get away.
Seriously. He was trying to get away, honey. Hey, lovers. Hey, love. But y'all, I'm about to, I'm up. Not really early. I'm really like 10, 11. But I'm about to clean up, and I thought maybe y'all want to see what I do on a Sunday. So, this not every Sunday, because normally I'll be lazy on Sunday, but we're going to try to do some adulting this Sunday. Yay. So, I think I'm going to clean. Y'all, this is what I'm working with. So, it's not, y'all, my house been worse. So, if you want to judge me off of this, please, by all means. Because I've seen my house in states that no one should, okay? So, this is lightweight, okay? I actually can walk on the ground. No kid toys. So, we got to get that together real quick. And then, yeah. I'm trying to block the sunlight because I decided to record at a dumbass angle. But y'all can't see from another angle, so. And then I'm going to try to get this, our little kid workstation together. Because y'all see it's giving damn. Like, look at all this. So we're going to try to get this together real quick. So, yeah, y'all, let's get it.